Hello, fellow hair loss people. Today is day 203, week 29 of my post-hair transplant review. I wanted to start off by saying, for those of you that are on Hair Restoration Network, a lot of you have been posting my videos and talking about how, I shouldn't say a lot, but some of you have been posting my videos and saying how my hairline does not look natural. I would ask that you guys reserve your opinion to yourself. Don't post my videos talking about my hairline to other people. I certainly don't appreciate it. I made these videos to provide an honest feedback on my hair transplant results that I've had. I personally am very, very happy with the results that I've gotten. I do, as some of you have so kindly noted, have a couple of doubles in my hairline, which I've also pointed out during some of my reviews. With that being said, I still have an incredibly natural looking hairline. I am very happy with how it looks, and I do not regret the surgeon or anything like that. This is honestly better results than I ever thought were possible. This past weekend, I did happen to see some of my fiance's family, and they hadn't seen me since before the surgery, and they didn't even notice that I had surgery because they said it just looked so natural. So again, if you guys could just not be reposting my videos and talking about how my hairline does not look natural, please reserve your comments to yourself and don't start spreading that I'm unhappy with my results, because that's not the case. I'm very happy. Now, to go into my review. This is my week out look. As you can see on the left-hand side, just like before, we've got a couple of little sparse spots. You can see right here, a little bit, not quite thick, and then kind of right here, not quite thick. With that being said, I don't know if you can see right there, but I've got a bunch of little black dots that are coming through the scalp. I do expect those hairs to grow in. My right side is looking thick as ever. I mean, this truly, genuinely looks like my natural hair. It is so hard to distinguish where my natural hairline is and my transplant starts. You really can't tell, especially when it's combed over to the side like this. It is a very, very natural result, and I'm very happy with how it looks. Now to look back at my crown. This is my crown area. I'm also very happy with how quickly my crown is healed, considering I'm about 6.5, almost 7 months now into my transplant. I can't get over how quickly the crown has grown in. I do expect the crown to continue to grow in over the next couple months. And then at the end of this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post photos, and their photos are gonna be comparison to where I was around the 4-month mark to where I am now. The 4-month, if you guys remember from watching my videos, around the 3.5, 4 month is when I really started to notice the hair coming in and the density starting to look good. And now that I look back at those photos, I was like, oh my God, it didn't look nearly as good as I thought. And now to me, it looks very natural and almost completely grown. Probably before my next video, I will end up getting a haircut and getting it trimmed down a little bit. But yes, overall, I'm very, very happy with how good my hair looks. I have so much of it. I mean, I never thought I'd be looking forward to a haircut. It's an incredible feeling. So, as always, if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you, guys.